How to fix commenting too fast in TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix your tapping too fast take a break issue in TikTok. If you're having this sort of issue or facing this sort of issue with the TikTok, then what you need to do is to fix it. So you just have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your profile. After which you want to go ahead and tap on a tab bar icon from the top right, then go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, you want to scroll down a bit and you could see this section as cache and date mobile. Underneath, click on free of speech and make sure to go ahead and clear cache. This should be able to fix it. If not, you could also try reporting it, after which you just need to go to report a problem underneath, and then you need to go ahead and select the topic or just click the report button, after which go ahead and click on report and you want to go to report with the account. Now here you just want to go ahead and click on no, and then you want to go back to the page where you can just click on report comment, where you want to go ahead and click on chat with us, after which you want to go ahead and type in the issue with the commenting or issue that you're facing. This way you should be able to get a suggestion from the customer service, and that should be able to fix your commenting too fast in TikTok issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.